I'm Mark Patryk. I'm the General Manager of Webco Mill Supply. We're located in Hope, British Columbia, and we manufacture quality replacement parts for Debarkers, chippers, and Hogs. Not just any Debarker, but all the Debarkers. We manufacture for over 16 different manufacturers of Debarkers, going into obviously Canada, US, into South America, and into Europe as well. So we're at the very beginning. We're a very green line operation. So the Debarker, the chipper, and the hog, as you know, the log comes into the Debarker, gets debarked, all the bark goes to the hog to be turned into mulch or hog fuel, and all the other ends go to the chipper for chips. We're unique. We offer, like I said, we offer a quality product for a fair price, and we have a lot of, let's call education and experience under our belt, manufacturing parts for a broad selection of Debarkers, not just one selected Debarker. So we use design features from one to another and kind of compile and make a superior product. Mark with Webco Mill Supply here and at the Timber Processing Show in 2024 in Portland, Oregon. Thank you for watching, and please contact us if you need any aftermarket parts for your Debarker, chipper, or hog. We make everything from tips, arms to feed rolls, and any hog strikers, hammers, and any chipper consumables as well.